Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video it's about enemies are approaching. Second video of the Devlog series about the game dev. So let me show you the result. I used a bit bigger map and pretty simple example with 4 enemies that are just following predefined path and using the IDs of the tiles. And the function that I've used this movement is different. I'm just checking the first 3 by 3 row and calls, and then based on the position of the path, the direction of the path, there are some checking so that the matrix 3 by 3, I'm going to show you just a second. So check direction, and there are initial values for rows and calls, in this case 3 by 3, and here I'm checking for the right direction, down direction, left direction and up direction. It's a bit wild for checking the different tiles. Here initial values for the enemies based on the count, in this case 4, is alive, health, damage, position by X and Y. And here this structure takes orthographic projection. It is over here, orthographic props, left, right, bottom, top, Z and far. I'll set a link for more information about that. And here, as you can see, I'm using the well-known matrices, projection view and model, and based on geo instance global variable instance ID, I just push the different models based on some conditions and movement of the enemies. Checking the current direction. I think the hardest part for me was over here with the base, because it was just one tile forward. So when it reached here, this ID is the base, and it checks from here, not from here. The indexing is a bit different, and here some debug information, which is the current rows and calls, the position on the tile map, what is the current state of the units, for example 3 has reached, and some information about unit 3, and I think it is a lot actually, which is the direction, the current direction of the unit and the position, and also make some changes. So here is the moving 3 by 3 matrices direction checker, and I need to pass walked. It is very useful variable, walked, because it is tracking only on the map, so this vector of X and Y. And left to attack is also useful, because when it reaches the last part of the base, of the example base, it starts to reduce start to reduce over here, continue to move forward with different speed. So here I set it to be slower because it was the speed. I think it was on the initializing part. Let me show you. So here, this is the initial speed of the units, and then before reaching the base, it just have 130 iterations with slower speed to reach the base. And also, if you have some suggestions about scripting and more tweaking the variables of the speed, attacks, and whatever. That's all for this video. If you have some questions, suggestions, let me know in the comments below. Until next time, bye bye.